not stretching my legs. Bond, reporting suspicious behaviour.
009?
No, one of the hotel staff. Strangest looking bellhop I ever saw. He was mishandling luggage.
Are you joking? What are we, the local tourist board?
I guess he had to be there. It was odd. I'm going to check it out.
You will not. 009 is our only priority. Stay at your post, James. That's an order.
Yes, Mom. Pardon me? Need to see a man about a bag.
Afternoon, sir. Staff and press only.
Damn, forgot my press badge.
You're not the first.
Missed him.
Gone. Just gone. What the?
Who's you? You're not meant to be here.
Of course, no problem.
Here we are.
I haven't talked to him yet. I just heard about it from the news show.
Oh!
They'll...
Hey! Where are you off?
Need a way to convince him.
Got through. I need to catch up with that bellhop. Show me your ID. Oh, it's good. Better go and get my ID then, if you want to catch your bellhop.
Fair point.
Pick up.
George! Yeah, it's no use. I met with the whistleblower, claims to have proof that Nymex cheated, but they'll only talk to Hoffman. How far off is he? Well, tell him to floor it or we'll lose the scoop of the year. I stashed his press badge inside one of the big pots on the lower ramparts. I need to get back in there. It's a nail biter. Unless you sent me all this way to report on the landscaping? Didn't think so.
What is that?
What? You can't just wander...
Event security. We have an activist posing as a member of the press. Has anyone checked in these past few minutes?
Mr. Morgan, but...
Yeah, that's what I thought. Right, let me through before I lose him. Good man.
What's it?
Sorry, just trying to get past you. Blocked.
The one in the dining hall? Yeah, cryptic logo. I'm impressed. Did you? You crazy? You know where he is.
Don't mind me, ladies.
Good afternoon, sir. Which room is he in?
Dunno. But he's getting an extra minute on his bill. That's for sure.
Now, let's see what all the fuss is about. There's Greenway. Hopefully I'm the last thing on his mind.
status?
Lewis on 009. Over.
Kingsley alert. Best not get spotted just yet. Need to build a case first.
Bond? Why am I not surprised?
Kingsley, you can keep a secret, can't you?
Don't bother, I'm reporting you right here and now.
Wait. Greenway gave me a secondary assignment. Classified, not even Cressida knows. That's why I'm here.
Why'd Greenway give it to you? He hates your guts.
Come on, you're not that naive. That's what he wanted you all to think.
I'll let it slide for now.
Smart move. Seems he's gone behind the scenes.
Hey!
This guy better be worth it. How do you do?
Where have I seen him for?
I think he models for Alexander.
Now, where did you go?
Don't mind me.
Ralph, what's the matter? Hey, you look like you've seen a ghost. Hello, Ralphie.
Look at you, rather. What's going on?
A hell of a thing. This bellhop, he tore a page from that antique book over there. Shot me a look like, talk and you're dead. And like,
Christ, the nerves.
Why would the blonde man tear up a book?
yeah, well, he bloody succeeded.
Nothing gonna skip a drink. I'll fetch you a gin.
This bellhop. Did you see where he went?
Reception. He took off towards the reception.
Reception. Good man.
Lost on the barrel.
Ronson. Great. Better stay clear.
Approximately 6 foot tall, spoke with an accent. Must be a foreign national.
I'm sorry, Mr. Prendergast, but we simply do not have a bellhop of that description.
Ridiculous. And who made off with my bag then? I demand to see the manager.
He is on his way, Mr. Prendergast. I'm sure it's all a misunderstanding.
It better be. I'll be over here.
Wouldn't want to keep Mr. Prendergast waiting. Mr. Prendergast, I am told you have some missing baggage.
Stolen is more likely.
Any idea where he went?
Yes, that's what I've been telling you people. I spotted him just before, going through the door marked laundry.
Laundry. That's very helpful. What is your business at the hotel?
A bit of workation. I'm researching my next novel, an AI-themed techno-thriller taking place in the world of international chess.
Sounds like a page turner. And what was in the suitcase?
Uncut diamonds. What do you think was in it, man? My clothes and toiletries.
Had to ask. Right, that's all I need. My office will be in touch. Please have a drink on the house.
Believe me, I shall.
Well, the blonde man has no bellhop, that's for sure. Time to do the laundry.
What? I think you should leave. Here you are. Been asked to keep out of here. Now move it. Walk away and don't come back.
When it rains, it pours.
Piotr, one of the bellhops, is a no-show. Didn't even call in sick. He's so fired.
At least the temp agency is fast. They sent the replacement already. Tall, blonde guy.
Right. I just ran into him in the laundry. Easy on the eyes. Strange accent, though.
And there's your icebreaker. You'll figure it out, I'm sure.
Stop.
Never seen the hotel so busy before. Never. I think you have the wrong room.
My mistake.
Goodbye.
Hey! Is anyone coming back?
Trust me, I need it more than you do.
Why not? Everybody cheats. You cheat at cards all the time.
I do not.
That's what Newbie will say.
That's odd. Let's check that. What was that? What's it? No idea what happened there. What is that?
Hey, you!
What now? I'm sorry, but I don't think you should be here.
Easy now. I'm leaving.
Thank you for understanding.
Ouch! Oh, that felt weird. Oh.
Don't know what that was. Jesus! What's that noise? That's not right.
Crest.
James, what are you playing at?
You wouldn't listen. I'd take matters into my own hands.
Damn it, James. Sometimes I think you want to fail. You know I have to report this. Now get out of here. We'll sort this when we get back.
Look around. Teresa Luna. I put up a mill too in venture capital, and when the stock goes public, my guy tells me I'll quadruple my investments.
So you had to save the world and buy yourself a second yacht. Well done.
Forget it.
Got it from the collector over in Soho. Oh, couldn't believe my luck. Moving in. I can do this.
What's that?
I should take a look.
Goodness, someone's in a hurry.
Apologies.
I'm just trying to get through.
That's what I call a trophy. Should have been a chess player.
You don't have the patience, Wu.
Easy now, fella.
Sir, you've been asked to keep out of here. Oh, look, the exit.
Can I be of assistance, sir?
Busy day?
Fully booked as always. We're not the region's favorite romantic getaway for nothing.
No, I can see why. You into chess?
I'm more of a snooker girl. Say, there is a quaint little bar nearby with a 9-feet mahogany table. I get off at 10 in case you feel like losing some money.
GT calls, I'm afraid. Some other time. Did someone rob that gentleman?
A misunderstanding with one of our temps, that's all.
Bellhop, tall, white blonde hair.
Why, he is certainly popular today. Did these men bother you, sir?
Thought I recognized him from somewhere. Have you seen him?
Afraid not. And after today, I doubt he'll be coming back.
Thanks. Appreciate the help.
Anytime.
I'm sorry.
Careful!
Just my brain messing up, I guess. Better check that.
What?
Okay, let it go then.
1805, Battle of Trafalgar. Easy.
What is this? I guess it's okay now.
Elena, don't be so.
Excuse me, ladies. Health and safety inspection. Where may I find the laundry?
It's just downstairs. Did someone file a complaint?
Strictly routine.
Like my marriage.
Elena, don't be such an old maid. I'm serious. The guy is in prison.
5K. Have now, later. Make sure and follow.
Got it.
Who was that guy?
That's Stefan. Was your very good man. Get this. Just $5,000. Guy.
Bellhop makes that kind of deal.
I'm good.
The hell was that? We must sustain still coming on. Give them a energy. It's like order.
How about you?
Go.
Who's that? What was that?
Let's go to work.
I'll make you.
Are they okay? What's going on?
Right. I don't want any trouble.
Keep it.
Gone again. Slippery bastard. A worn bellhop outfit. Size XL. "206 could be a passcode, an address, or a room number. Cressida, I'm back at my post.
Really?
I'm in full view of the car park.
Good. Let's keep it that way. Stay vigilant.
The boss must have taken the scenic route.
See? No one's in here.
Silent alarm trigger itself. Check the windows.
Okay. I gotta tell Dudley. Monroe, I need your help.
Took you long enough.
The blonde man. He's changed his disguise. I knew he was up to something.
Yeah? How'd you know he's not a thief?
He doesn't move like a thief. He moves like a soldier. I'm telling you, something's not right.
Look. I might have seen a bloke who fit the bill. Tall, blonde. Only he was in a suit. Went by the name of Locke.
Where was this?
Over at reception a little while ago. He was heading upstairs.
Thanks, man.
Hey. You didn't hear it.
Chief. It's Christoph. I'm in, Chief. Kovac, you copy. Strange. He's never offline.
I just overheard a pair of guests complaining about loud thumps and noises coming from one of the second floor suites. Room 206. What do we think? Saying who stays in 206?
Mr. Locke, VIP from Rhinestone Insurance. Working with the hotel's chief of security.
I highly doubt the 009 is one Spence are selling insurances. I'd say it's none of our business. Copy that.
Room 206. That has to be it.
I'm sorry.
Look, if you're so worried about Ezra's interview, can't you, grease the wheels a little? Donate a wings? Probably for new outfit.
What the hell was that?
Need to find a way past them. Room 206. Secondly, I was up against the best.
Not to mention the best of the worst.
Nadia, you've seen Chief Kovac around. He's not answering his comms.
He went up to room 206 with that gentleman from the insurance company.
Right. Blonde fella.
You want me to check up on him?
Nah, it can wait. They're probably going over security. That chest probe is porch.
Sir, careful. Be careful.
What are you doing? Leaving with her? I wonder.
What, hello?
What are you doing in my room?
Pardon me, Mom. Didn't think anyone was in. I'm with management. One of our guests lost his pet anaconda. We're going floor by floor.
Well, it's not down here.
I'll take your word for it. Right.
Okay, so that was... Let's see.
Post-op recovery should last a few more weeks. He'll be back on crutches soon enough with a brand new knee and a bruised ego.
Guess he got lucky. A fall like that?
Maybe that'll teach him not to horse around on a second floor ledge after a night of drinking. Chief Kovac had a mind to ban after hours activities altogether. Please. He likes it as much as guys.
You're exaggerating. They don't always do my thing.
I'm with security. Do you have a minute?
How can I help you?
Are the rooms on this floor connected? Communicating doors, adjoining balconies, that sort of thing?
Not unless you're willing to risk your life. One of our staff fell over ledge recently. There was putting up spikes by the castle on some sort of
Say no more. Have you talked to the gentleman in 206?
Only briefly. Quiet type. Strange accent. Scandinavian, maybe. He checked in early this morning and declined all services.
Easy customer. Who stays on this floor?
That's Contessa de Havilland in 205, and Mr. Locke in 206, and English couple the Macmillans in 207. That's them shouting. They're really going at it.
I'll let you get back.
You know what? I don't need this. I'm out.
She'll come.
What's this?
Probably worth a look. Oi! What the bloody hell are you doing?
Building inspector. Just checking for asbestos.
I see.
Make yourself comfortable. Won't take a minute.
That's odd. Well, is there asbestos?
Inconclusive. Enjoy your stay. Now what happened here? Monroe?
I detected.
I'm in 206. It's a mess. Down the line. I'll have a look around.
This should be good.
Found a wall suit. Size XL. This guy changed his disguise again.
Or he changed his outfit. Small word, big difference.
I found a key card holder. Minus the key card.
Could mean anything, mate. Don't jump to conclusions.
Monroe, this isn't some party that got out of hand. These are signs of a struggle. And someone put up one hell of a fight.
If that's the case, where's the body?
Good question. I found the chief of security's wallet. It's full of cash. Doesn't look like a robbery.
Might have dropped it.
In the fireplace. Monroe, this is serious. The blonde man did something to the chief of security. I'm sure of it.
Okay. So why? And how is this connected to 009?
Not a clue. Yet. Call you back.
Housekeeping.
Jet lag. Gets me every time. A chef. How does he manage to change the chain so fast?
Anyone else feel that? Sing, talk to me.
I'm picking up some chatter about a surge in the electrical room. It crashed the security system, but there doesn't appear to be any permanent damage. Nothing to indicate foul play.
Copy that, sing. Keep an eye on it. Everyone else, step up your search.
Monroe, listen to me. The blonde man, missing security chief, the power surge 009. Somehow it's all connected.
Look. Say you're right.
Unintentional.
What's his game?
Just coming through.
Okay. I'll look into it. Where are you now?
Back in the blonde man's trail. He won't slip away this time.
You see this thing?
Don't watch where you're going.
My fault.
Security system still offline. I'd call that a red flag. According to the logs, someone went inside shortly before the force.
Let me the security chief. He's the only one with authorization.
Security chief's key card was missing. This is starting to add up. That's him. Now what's in those crates?
Mr. Cover, hit him. Think.
Ask. He must have gone down this way.
What happened? I was on the ship that everything suddenly, bam.
There. Gotta hurry.
Bond. Your hunch was right. I found you missing security chief stuffed inside a laundry couch in the basement.
Row. Blonde man hooked something in the truck while the security down. Something heavy.
Oh, this is bad. I'll inform President. Don't let this guy out of sight.
Oh. He was just here. Went into that area. Didn't see him.
You again.
That's right. The maid is picking a lock. Now you've seen everything.
Well, that was close.
James, whatever you think you're doing, stop. You're in over your head.
Yeah, tell me about it.
This is insubordination. Get back to you.
Knew it. There was something in those crates.
Hey!
Stairs.